Pickled eggs, but not really pickled. Hello and welcome. Today we are making pickled egg masala, spicy and tangy. Let's get cracking. Boil 5 eggs, peel them, set them aside. Boil 2 potatoes, peel them, set them aside. In a small bowl, combine these dry spices: 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili or any red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Take 1.5 tablespoons of mango pickles. You can buy mango pickles from any Indian store. It's available in lots of brands. In a non-stick pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of salt, and add the eggs. No need to cut the eggs or poke the eggs. Just roast them lightly until they blush golden. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't roast it too dark. Think sun-kissed, not sunburnt. Now take them out and set them aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let them crackle until they become fragrant. Now turn the heat low and quickly add all the spices you mixed earlier. Just stir for 10 seconds, not more, or your masala will go from roasted to rest in peace. Crush those boiled potatoes with your fingers and toss them into the pan. No knife, no cutting. Sprinkle a little salt just for the potatoes. Stir them into that beautiful golden masala. Now cut the roasted egg into 2 equal halves without destroying the yolk and the whites. At this point, the egg and the yolk are very delicate, so be gentle. Now comes the twist that earned this recipe its name. Add 1.5 tablespoons of chopped mango pickle. This adds tang, kick, altitude, and just enough mystery to make your taste buds curious. Stir everything like you mean it. Mix all the pickle pieces with potatoes gently and evenly. Now gently lay the egg halves into potatoes and mix them thoroughly, but be very careful and gentle. Egg yolks can break and mix in the potatoes. Now sprinkle a little bit of salt, a little crush of black pepper just for the eggs. Stir gently with the spatula, infusing pickle taste into the egg yolk and the egg, making sure you don't crush the yolk. Cilantro goes on top and you go on top of the world. The mango pickle adds acidity, spice and umami. Think of it as India's answer to Worcestershire sauce, but with more drama and oil. So here's your pickled eggs ready, which are not actually pickled but taste way better than pickles, and anyone can make it. Serve this glorious mess with rice or chapati and maybe some dal if you are feeling extra. Try it, love it, and share it, because good food should always be shared. Thanks for watching.